So he walks away thinking he won. What up, YouTube? Here we go. Another quick unboxer. Something funny happened actually today. So I was wearing this shirt to go to Walgreens, and it's a funny shirt. And then this guy, you know, he's staring at me, and you know, he's wearing a face mask like this, and I'm like, what's he staring at? You know, do I know him? He kind of looked familiar, but only from like here up, because he had the face mask on, and I'm like, what the hell? So he comes up to me, he's like, dude, let's go for it. So I had to play him. I was like, hey man, sure, why not, let's do it. So he's there with his wife, and he's like, you know, apparently she didn't think that this was gonna happen, but she apparently doesn't know me that well either, but whatever, we're total strangers. I thought it was a really nice thing to do in this time where like people are not even getting close to each other. So I went for it. I lost the first round, and I'm like, hey man. So he walks away thinking he won. I'm like, hey man, 2 out of 3. Comes back, bam, I get him, first shot. We go for the third round. We must have equaled probably 5 or 6 times until eventually he got me. So yeah, I lost the game of rock, paper, scissors. But we're not here for rock, paper, scissors. We're here for another unboxing video, something that, this kind of sucks. Like I've been wanting to open this box forever, but if I can't do it for the viewers, I feel like I can't do it either. Just like, I can't do it at all, like, whatever. So I've been patient, finally gonna get this done. Before I get into it, hit the like, subscribe, little ding, ding, bell button there, if you wanna know exactly when these videos come out. Anyway, let's get right into it. Woo. Here's the box. I don't know. Is that as far as it'll go? All right. Here's the old box. Okay, well, I bought this from a place called, I think, LHT Performance. I should check that. I should double check that. Anyway, they're sort of like a supply store if you're, let's see, what's the, no, it's not, it wasn't LHT. LHT is the muffler spot. This is HMS Motorsports. Anyway, they supply safety gear, racing gear, for tracking and sporting events. Let's see, yeah, a box inside a box, beautiful. So those of you who already know, probably already figured out what this is. It's a helmet, a track helmet. I've always autocrossed with motorcycle helmets, and even when I tracked up in Canada, I used a motorcycle helmet. But some of the clubs that race up here, they say that they will not accept a motorcycle helmet as a safety helmet. So I got, this is considered an entry level track helmet. Man, this is so light. Now I know what I was missing out on. Motorcycle helmets tend to be a little bit more expensive, but man, this is dope. I've got clips here for Hans device. If you don't know what a Hans device it is, look it up. Basically keeps your head in place if you're running a harness, like a 4-point harness or something like that. But you guys can't see this, but this is a very light helmet, so it's a comfortable helmet to be in. How the hell do you open it? Is there a lock button? Yep. There's like a tiny little button there that locks the visor into place when you want to take it off. Oh, yeah, it's moving more freely now. But this is a really, really, really light helmet, which is going to make life easier for me. So now, let's go stick mode and try it on. I hate buying helmets online, but I really hope this one fits. I haven't said it, I guess, but this is the HJC AR10 version 3. Ooh. Fits like a glove. What do you guys think? Well, you probably can't hear me in there. Can you hear me? Hello? Anybody there? Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Tell me what you think about this helmet. If you owned it, if you hate it, if you love it. If you want to see more of this stuff, subscribe in the little subscribe button down there. I'm going to get out of this thing because it's like 90 degrees out here. Bye.